pleasure to take you through this beginner's large fan workshop course. Now this workshop will take you through everything you need to know about working with these, okay? Including a warm-up, some hand self-care, okay? And we will give you, I think it's about 18 modules of movements and things that you can do with these fans, all right? And then once you've completed all of those, you can head to our library and you can go and try your hand at one of our large fan routines. Once you've mastered the fans, okay, and you've mastered some routines, if you're feeling ready, or shall I say when you're feeling ready, you can also come and join us for our feathers and tassels workshop course, where we'll be taking it not only from a dancing point of view and a user beginner point of view, but also to incorporate stripping and having routines with feathers and tassels, and it being about more than just dancing. Alright? But that's another workshop. Okay, so let's start off with talking about the fans themselves. Now, as I'm sure you're already aware, these things do come in lots of variations and sizes and materials. Okay? So it's up to you to decide what sort of size you want to work with, how heavy you can handle in your hands, but also your budget really for these, because these things aren't cheap and they are the kind of things that you get what you pay for, all right? So with these particular workshops that we run, we tend to use double layer fans, and we tend to get quite a good size so that if people want to sort of cover themselves up, yeah, particularly if they're going for some unclothing or some revealing scenarios, the fans are layered enough and big enough to cover the majority of the body, particularly the bits of the bodies that you would want. I'm only a short ass, so when I put mine up against my face, mine will pretty much come down to my knees. So I'm nice and well covered. Some of our customers are a little bit taller, obviously. Theirs will be sort of under the neck or under the head, and they'll still be nicely covered. So, like I say, you will get what you pay for with these things, all right?